Hey guys, welcome to ISE 2025. My name is Casey Clemens with Sonos. Very excited to be here at this show right now, talking about our brand new product that just began shipping on January 28th, and that is the Era 100 Pro. Not only are Sonos excited about shipping this thing, but as you can see right below, we've got this brand new beautiful award, Best of Show 2025 from Installation Magazine, for everything that we are doing with this particular product. So what is exciting about Era 100 Pro? Era 100 Pro is actually our first product designed and engineered specifically with the professional installer in mind. Really meant specifically for light commercial and residential installations. This product is based off the same architecture as our Era 100, but is actually optimized for PoE and PoE+. When we began shipping this product as of January 28th, it also came out with a software feature that was built into our normal Sonos app called Zones. Those of you familiar with Sonos know that we have always been able to group multiple rooms and multiple speakers. However, with Zones, you can actually set up permanent groups of multiple speakers for larger installations or larger rooms. This should give our install partners even greater configuration options than they've had in the past. And last but not least, if you take a really close look at what's going on behind the product, is that brand new Era 100 Pro mount. This is a very exciting accessory for our professional installers, both for the ease of install, but also the customizable configuration and the ability to do something that is repeatable from install to install. You see the ability to use that hand grip on the back to actually close in on the ball joint that's behind it. That ball joint actually has teeth, so you can do repeatable angles over and over again. And as you can see, there are multiple ways to actually thread your wiring and have a nice hidden install. So with all that being said, thank you again for listening. My name is Casey Clemens. If you want to learn more, please visit Sonos.com.